Hello mindful foodies, Inga from Health Origins here. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make creamy oat milk 2 ways. So I made this recipe in my live stream before, however I made a crucial mistake. I blended it for 1 minute instead of 30 seconds, because this is the key with the oat milk, is to blend your oats with cold water in particular, and only for about 30 seconds, because you don't want that kind of gloopiness to start coming out of the oats. And certainly don't soak your oats at all, so just dry oats. So what you're going to need 1 cup of dry oats. So I'm adding this to my blender. Then to make this a creamy oat milk, we're going to be adding 1/4 cup of cashews that I soaked for about 2 hours in warm water, not hot water, not boiling water, just warm water, because you want, you know, the raw goodness of this. But it's enough to probably soak it for about maybe at least half an hour, just to soften it a little bit. The video that I've seen that the lady Jill from Whole Foods plant-based cooking show, when she made it, she actually made it with raw cashews. But I think it definitely helps if you soak your cashews a little bit before making this, just so that it blends up more and becomes a little bit more creamier. So if you're allergic to nuts, you could use sunflower seeds, and I've made a sunflower seeds milk on its own. I'll link above and down below, but basically here we're just using 1/4 cup again of sunflower seeds that I've soaked again for about 2 hours, and I'm going to be making those 2 milks, and we can compare the taste as well. If you're after a little bit of a funkier color milk, like a bit greenish but also should taste really delicious, you can soak some pumpkin seeds, right? So they're like green color, so your milk will have like a little tint of green in it, but it also should give that nice creaminess. So yeah, give it a try with the pumpkin seeds, if you don't want to use either cashews or don't have sunflower seeds. So I'm going to add this 1/4 cup. I've drained them, so just the soaked nuts in here, and we're going to pour 1 liter of cold water. In it goes, and I'm going to put the lid on, and I'm gonna blend it for just about 25-30 seconds. So literally don't over blend this. So that's it, there was 25 seconds. I've got you know, the same jug. I've got a sieve just to hold my nut milk bag in place here. So you could use either a nut milk bag like me, or if you don't have one, you could also use a clean kitchen towel or muslin cloth if you double or triple it, you know, to make sure obviously the pulp is not gonna come through. And I'm gonna just drain this. So look, it's looking nice and white and milky. So yeah, so let me strain this through. And the reason is to do it straight away, not to let the oats sit too long and start kind of getting that sliminess out. So you just want to blend as quickly as you can, and then squeeze this white goodness out of it. It's coming through really easily. So yeah, last time I definitely over blended it, and I've had this kind of gloopiness, and it wasn't quite as white or creamy as I was hoping. So I'm really excited to try this one now. So yeah, so actually it doesn't hardly feel gloopy or anything at all. There's a little bit of something I can feel towards the bottom of this now, but yeah, so this is kind of oat pulp that you could use to make oatmeal or add it to burger patties or something like that, or even to your pancake batter, that should work. So definitely don't throw this out. And now we are left with this creamy goodness. So this is about 1 liter of milk, so I'm going to just add it to my jug here. Nice. I've got a little bit here, so I'm going to pour it into a glass so I can taste test it for you in a second. But then I'm going to do the same with another batch of oats and sunflower seeds this time. So I'm going to do the same. I'll rinse my Thermomix. I'm going to do the same, and then we're going to compare the two milks. So now I've got my second milk, the one that I made with some soaked sunflower seeds in addition to the oats. I'm going to just pour it into my 1 liter container, and I'm going to just pour a little bit out to taste test as well. Perfect. They both look nice, white and creamy. So now all that's left to do is to taste test. So I've got my taste tester for you today. I always love to have a second opinion. You know, it's always a good idea. So I've made oat milks 2 ways, right? So one is with cashew nuts and one is with sunflower seeds. So just 1/4 cup added just for that extra bit of creaminess. Okay, so don't know, maybe start with the cashew one. So just give it a little sip. I mean, it's oaty. I wouldn't say I'm a fan of oat milk as such. It does taste a little bit kind of raw, but it's all right, isn't it?
It's nice actually. It's very kind of subtle in the oat flavour.
Yeah. So. And then this one is the sunflower seed one. Ooh, that has more of a sunflower seed coming through, whereas that one didn't have like cashews, because cashews are quite neutral.
I see what you mean.
Yeah, there's a little bit of
I think I prefer the cashew one just for its neutrality.
Yeah, the cashew one you definitely taste more of like oats and kind of just more neutral, whereas with the sunflower seed one you can kind of taste a little bit of sunflower coming through.
Is that creamier, do you think?
I think the sunflower one actually is slightly creamier, or I don't know, is it because I've made it last? You know, so...
What you mean, so it's kind of...
So it's just the most kind of foamed up right now? I don't know.
Possibly. I don't think it is though, I think it is because...
Yeah, it is actually tasting a bit creamier, that one, the sunflower seed one.
Not much though, there's not much in it, and I do prefer that one.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's more neutral, so it lends itself
it's
to
more smooth, isn't it? That one.
Yeah.
So yeah, so let me know if you try both of these or one of them, and let me know what you think. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you're new here to this channel, welcome, and subscribe for more videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. And as always, guys, remember,
food is fuel.
Aha, I tricked him. So be mindful of what you put in your body. Until next time.
Bye, guys.